Hi, I'm Ravi Handa, founder of the website handagafunda.com. In this series of videos, what we are going to do is we are going to discuss previous year questions from the CAT exam. And if you're planning to prepare for CAT with just few weeks to go, have a look at our crash course on this particular link. Hi everyone, I'm Ravi Handa, founder of the website handagafunda.com. Welcome to a solved example on odd one out. So what you need to do is from these 5 sentences, you have to figure out which sentence does not fit in. The others form a coherent short paragraph. You have to identify the odd one out, the sentence which does not fit. Displacement in Bengal is thus not a very significant in view in of its magnitude. So using of the word thus, this looks like this is a conclusion and ending. This is based on something. A factor of displacement in Bengal is the shifting course of the Ganges leading to erosion of river banks. So again, one of the factors of displacement is being talked about. So displacement must have been introduced before this. The nature of displacement in Bengal makes it an interesting case study. So this looks like a good introduction part. Since displacement due to erosion is well spread over a long period of time, it remains invisible. So again, this is describing what happens in displacement. Rapid displacement would have helped sensitize the public to its human cause. So this is suggesting kind of an alternative or something that should have happened so that the public was aware. Now all of these 5 are kind of related to each other, but we have to find out which one does not fit. So very clearly, statement number 3 is an introductory section which talks about the nature of displacement. This is where you are going to start from. Displacement in Bengal is thus not very significant in view of its magnitude. This is a good concluding sentence because it is using words like thus, and the reasoning is what will come in between this. So 2, 4 and 5, 2 of them should explain how from introduction you are going to the conclusion that it is not very significant. So let's check again. 2 says a factor is the shifting course of the Ganges. That is why displacement is happening. And since displacement due to erosion is well spread over a long period of time, it remains invisible. So definitely 4 is leading to 1 because 4 is saying that it remains invisible and it is not very significant. Now we are looking for a cause, something that tells me this is an introduction, this is the cause, this is the effect, and this is the conclusion. So out of 2 and 5, which one talks about cause in a better way? Second talks about cause in a better way. Fifth one is talking about an alternative. This does not fit in the scheme of things, making option 5 or statement number 5 as our answer here for the odd one out. Hope you learned something from this video. Thank you. Hope you liked this video and learned something from it. To learn more, please check out our crash course on this link. And remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We will be releasing many such videos in the near future. Thank you.